Okay guys, so as I promised, I'm going to be unboxing this Airtec Intercooler, show you what exactly we get in the box. Catch you in a minute. Okay guys, so there's the intercooler in this box. Wife's going to give me a hand now and unbox it. Let's see what we get in there. That was not cut. Just going to stick you to the side for a second, guys. Okay. Well, it's well packaged, so that's nice. Wow. Well, this is packed in well. So as you can see, it's packaged very well. Okay, let's just break these off. Break the side. Just pull it from the top. Okay, so that's it all packaged up. Some of the boost pipes. Okay, let's just cut these off. Okay. So easy. Let me just sort these out and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is what you get in the pack. You get some of the hard pipes. These are actually going to be painted matte black. I don't want them silver, I want it black, same as the intercooler. You get your fitting instructions, some clamps. I had mine done in the nitrous blue, straight from Airtec themselves. They're the ones who sent me direct. But I did order it from JS Performance because they've done all the colour coding and everything. They've done all that, all the same colour. That's all the pipes you need. That's the intercooler, but yeah, change those to gloss, no, not gloss black, matte black. Match that. Gonna go through the instructions in a bit, see how exactly how this fits, but yeah, that's what you get in the box, guys. If you order your pipes from JS Performance, if you put VDDC10 in the coupon code, or if you call them and say VDDC10, they'll give you 10% off your pipe work. I don't think they can do a discount on the intercooler. I'm not sure about that, but you're welcome to contact them, see what they can do for you. But anyway, that's it guys. I'll give this a quick upload. He said I will show you it all being unboxed, and that's how it is. Anyway guys, I'll catch you again.